Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start immediately. Cut power and shut the water so you can work safely. Once that's done, pull out the bottom rack and remove standing water with a cup and towel to expose the filter and drain. Next, check for a sink air gap or where the dishwasher hose ties into the garbage disposal. You need a clear path to the drain, so make sure you can see and reach the hose connection before moving on. Now you work through the harder part. Remove the filter and clean the sump, because food and gunk often block flow. Once done, disconnect the drain hose where it meets the disposal or sink tailpiece and place a bucket underneath. Expect water. Feed a small plumbing snake or a straightened wire gently into the hose and drain for about 3 to 6 feet, rotating and pulling debris free. Make sure to recheck the hose for kinks and replace clamps if they're loose. Reattach the hose and tighten clamps securely, then reinstall the filter and lower rack. Once reassembled, restore power and water and run a short rinse cycle while watching the sink for any sign of backflow. If water still backs up, the check valve or air gap may be faulty or the drain line has a deeper clog. Turn it off and inspect those parts. If you can't resolve it quickly, call a plumber, but try replacing the check valve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.